Welcome to my channel. Today we're taking a first look at the all-new 2025 Toyota Century, a car that has been shaking up the luxury world and making even Rolls-Royce and Bentley nervous. From the outside, the Century looks like a true beast of elegance. The bold vertical chrome grille, slim futuristic LED headlights, and the long, wide stance immediately scream authority and class. Finished in glossy black with chrome detailing, this sedan isn't just a car, it's a statement. Walk around to the back, and the story gets even more impressive. The connected LED taillights stretch gracefully across the trunk, while the iconic Century badge reminds you that this is Toyota's crown jewel. The dual exhausts integrated into the bumper give it that perfect mix of elegance and subtle aggression. But the real magic of the Century? It's inside. Step in and you're welcomed by a cabin dripping with luxury craftsmanship. We're talking about hand-stitched premium leather, real wood veneers, and chrome accents everywhere. The digital instrument cluster is futuristic, yet the classic analog clock in the center reminds you of timeless luxury. And then comes the steering wheel, multifunctional, wrapped in leather, and carrying the iconic Toyota badge with pride. Right in the center console, you'll find a massive touchscreen infotainment system that blends modern technology with old-school Japanese craftsmanship. Rear passengers? They're in a world of their own. Imagine reclining leather seats, a separate entertainment system, ambient lighting, and even controls for climate and massage functions. This isn't just a car, it's a moving luxury lounge. Under the hood, Toyota has fitted the 2025 Century with a powerful hybrid V8 engine, smooth, quiet, and efficient, delivering effortless performance while keeping the ride whisper silent. It's not about speed here, it's about presence and perfection. So, is the 2025 Toyota Century really a luxury beast? Absolutely. It combines Japanese precision, modern innovation, and timeless elegance. And it proves that Toyota can rival the world's most exclusive luxury brands. If you enjoyed this first look, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. Would you pick the Century over a Rolls-Royce or a Bentley?